beauty corns, welcome back to my channel. You're probably wondering why I'm sitting up close and personal with you all today. That is because I'm going to be showing you all what is in my bag. Yay! Alrighty, so I've seen a few of these videos on YouTube before. I thought it's fun to see what's inside of other people's bags, so I thought it would be kind of cool to show you all what I carry in my bag. So let's get started. So this is a bag that I am currently using. It is by Spade. I love this bag for many reasons, and I will share with you why. First is because it has a few different options on how you can wear this bag. So you have these smaller straps here where you can wear around your wrist, or you can choose to wear as a crossbody bag or shoulder bag with the longer strap. The other reason why I love this bag is because it has many compartments. As you all can see, there's 3 different spots where you can store your things at. I love that about this bag because it's not a huge bag, it's a medium-sized bag, and I can fit all of my stuff in there because I do tend to carry quite a bit of things, and I don't like huge purses. But this one, it has so many compartments in it that I can fit everything in it. So that is one of the many reasons why I do love this bag. So on the outside here, you can see I have a fluffy, cute keychain. This is actually a hand sanitizer holder that is made to look like a unicorn. How adorable is that? I purchased this from Bath & Body Works, and the hand sanitizer that is inside is also by Bath & Body Works. It's called I'm a Unicorn. Smells like berries. It's super sweet and cute, so I put that on the outside of my purse. Alright, so one of the many things that you can find in my purse is going to be a cell phone. I don't go anywhere without my cell phone. I have a cute case for it that is a unicorn, and I purchased this from Claire's. Everyone knows by now that I love unicorns, so that is my phone case. And the next thing you will find in my purse is a set of keys. I do have a couple of Little Mermaid keychains that I got. This one here was purchased from Five Below, and then this cutie was purchased from the FYE, also known as For Your Entertainment music store. The Little Mermaid is my favorite Disney movie, so I do tend to collect a lot of things from that movie. And also, to go along with those keychains, I do have a Little Mermaid Ariel lip smacker chapstick. This is in the flavor Mermazing Grapefruit. It's super cute. I just use it to moisturize my lips whenever I need it. And it smells fruity. I like it. It doesn't really have a strong grapefruit citrus smell. It just smells fruity in my opinion. So there it's that. I also have a pair of sunglasses. These ones are by Oscar de la Renta. I'm pretty sure I purchased them from either TJ Maxx or Marshall's. But here's what they look like, just to block the sun out of my eyes. I have a lotion and a lip gloss from the same collection. It's called Hey Ghoul Friend. Shea Butter Scary Berry Hand Cream and Lip Gloss Scary Berry. These are from their Halloween collection last year, and they smell super sweet. I love the way they smell, and this has a nice little taste to it, although you're not supposed to eat it, but you know, when you have lip gloss on your lips, you're bound to taste what's on your lips. So those 2 are in my bag. I also have a Baby Lips lip balm. This is a tinted lip balm in the color Cherry Me. It's just a nice red color. Smells nice like cherries, and it tints my lips a nice light red color. And then I also have some bubble gum. This is the Fairytale Fruit sweet and sour flavors gourmet gum. The brand is Project 7. I purchased these from Target. Or rather, my husband purchased them for me because he knows I like unicorns, so he thought of me and he brought these to me. But I have not tried them yet, so I don't know how tasty they taste. So moving on to this middle compartment here, this is where I store my wallet. I have a Vera Bradley wallet. This side it has a clear pouch so that you could put your driver's license ID in there. Also in that middle compartment, I have a little cell phone holder. This just goes on the back of your cell phone, and it kind of sucks to the cell phone like that. So you can lay it on a table without having to hold your cell phone. And I'm not sure where this is from, But I'll ask my mom because she's the one who got it for me, and I will post it down below where she got it from, but that comes in handy. And then of course, what female does not have a bunch of hair ties in her purse? Because you never know when you're going to need a hair tie when you're out and about. So of course I have about 4. Yeah, I have 4 with a little hair clip just in case I need to tie my hair back. Alright, and then moving on to this last compartment here, I have a few fun things to show you all. So up top I have a body spray. This is light blue by, well, this is compared to light blue by Dolce & Gabbana, but it's called Capri Breeze, and it's from Walmart. It has a nice clean scent to it, and I mostly use this for if I'm out and about and I have to use a bathroom, and sometimes the public bathrooms don't always smell the nicest. They need a nice clean scent, so this is what I will spray while I'm using their bathrooms. Then I have some tissues because it is allergy season. Spring is upon us. Pollen is coming out. You never know when you're going to sneeze and need a tissue, so I have those. I have a pocket-sized mirror just in case I need to touch up my lipstick, which by the way, I don't have any lipstick in my bag as of right now because I'm not out and about. But if I'm wearing a lip color that I know I'm going to be using throughout the day, then I will store it in this bag as well. So that is why I carry a little pocket mirror. And you might be wondering why I have colored pencils in my purse. These are Crayola Erasable colored pencils, and they are to go with my coloring book that is like a travel size pocket coloring book. There you go. This is a pocket coloring book purchased from Target. It's cute. It's got little rainbows, unicorns that you can color. I actually purchased this for my stepdaughter for Easter, but then my mom got her a Easter tote bag and she purchased the same one, so I'm like, oh my goodness, I had got that for her too. But I'll let you go ahead and give her this coloring book, and then I'll keep this one, and who knows, maybe we can have a little coloring session. So she's probably watching this video. Hi, Superstar. I almost called you Sunshine, but that goes well with you too. But hi, Superstar. And I also have a sticky note and pens because you never know when you're out and about in public and you need to write something down. The sticky notes I purchased from Forever 21. It actually came in a bundle pack with notepads, sticky notes, and like little to-do sticky notes that you can place inside of agenda. And then the pens, I have an InkJoy Papermate pen in the color pink. And this pen here, it's glittery and sparkly, and it's from Target. Ta-da! I don't know if you can see that. But it has little rainbow unicorn droppings and hearts, and I thought it was cute, so I purchased that from Target in the $1 to $5 bin. Alrighty, so that includes everything for this video. That's everything that was inside of my purse. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of fun videos coming up for the month of April that you don't want to miss out on. I hope you all have a magical day, and I will see you all next time. Bye!